So we need to solve this linear equation, but before we do, let's call this equation 1, and equation 2. That gives us our system. Let's start by isolating y in equation 2. 3x minus y equals 9, minus y equals 9 minus 3x. Divide both sides by this negative 1 here. Y equals minus 9 plus 3x. With this, let's plug this back into equation 1. So 8x minus, instead of y, we're going to put minus 9 plus 3y, minus 9 plus 3x, pardon me, equals 10. Now that our whole equation is in terms of x, we can solve for x. 8x equals, let's distribute that, plus 9 minus 3x equals 10. Add our like terms. 8 minus 3 is 5, so 5x plus 9 equals 10. Bring the 9 over. 5x equals 10 minus 9. 5x equals 1. And x equals, dividing both sides by 5 gives you 1 over 5. With x equals 1 over 5, we can plug that back into equation 2 to solve for an actual value of y. 3x minus y equals 9, but instead of x, we're going to replace that with 1 over 5. So 3 times 1 over 5 minus y equals 9. 3 over 5 minus y equals 9. Minus y equals 9 minus 3 over 5. 9 times 5 is 45, minus 3 is 42. Minus y equals 42 over 5, minus y equals minus 42 over 5. Oh, sorry, y equals minus 42 over 5 after you divide both sides by negative 1.